my next video.
That was good. I feel like you could do better.
Oh. Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. I bet you've never had spicy brown sugar cinnamon swirls, so let me show you how to do it in the Blackstone air fryer. Cinnamon swirls, they're not the traditional cinnamon rolls because we're using puff pastry. First things first, so let's get our mixture of softened butter, cinnamon, sugar, and I'm adding the spicy brown sugar from Blackstone. This just levels up your regular cinnamon roll. Once that's mixed, slide it aside. Grab your puff pastry sheet, roll it out slightly, then get that butter mixture spread all over. Roll it up just like you do your cinnamon rolls, but we're swirling right now. Then cut it in 2 little sections. I've got a pan that fits perfectly in my Blackstone air fryer drawer. I'm going to grease it up with a little bit of butter. Pop these cinnamon rolls into the pan, smush them down just a little bit, then get them into the air fryer drawer to do its magic. And in the meantime, we're gonna make our glaze, which is a mixture of powdered sugar, milk, and some cream cheese to thicken it. Our cinnamon swirls are done. Let's pull them out, plate them up, and go over the top with all of that cream cheese glaze, a post thus of our spicy brown sugar. And I don't know about you, but
I know about me. I need this to be done.
this was Ethan's idea.
100% request.
Before he travels home from filming with me, he wanted something sweet, and this is something I would cook if I was doing a Sunday fun day or in the morning when my kids need breakfast, something sweet, or late night. Oh, Ethan. I've got to tell you, this is dessert in under a 5-minute prep, a 10-minute cook or less, and you've got yourself this crunchy on the outside, gooey soft cinnamon butter with a little splash of the spicy brown sugar. Levels it up. You guys are gonna wanna make this. So what do I always say? Take it, make it, and send me a picture because I wanna see you and your family enjoying this just as much as I did. I know Ethan did, and my kids always do. They're lucky. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I will see you in my next video.